welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
This slide is an introductory slide. This slide reveals the topic of presentation. This slide is about register your company's name. First things first, in order to register the name of your company, you will have to obtain authorization from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. You should receive it on no more than 2 working days. This slide is about apply for a tax registration number. This is relatively simple. All you have to do is consult a public notary signed by the government. You will be asked to sign the incorporation deed before receiving your tax registration. This should take you a maximum of 2 days. This slide is about register your incorporation deed. Register your incorporation deed with the Public Register of Commerce. You will need to wait 70 days to receive your information. This slide is about register for your tax ID number. You will receive your tax ID number by simply registering the Ministry of Finance and Credit. This will take you 1 to 3 days. This slide is about register for Social Security. You now have to register your company with the Mexico Social Security. You will have to open individual retirement savings accounts for every one of your future employees. This should normally take you 2 to 5 days. This slide is about register your company's account. The next step indeed to register for payroll tax with the local tax administration, which is the Secretaría de Finanzas del Convenio del Registro Federal. This is you are setting your company in Mexico City. It will take you 1 day. This slide is about register with the National Business Information Registry. Before the last step, register with the SIEM, Sistema de Información Empresarial Mexicano, which is the institution comprised of a complete registry of all the existing companies in Mexico. The cost of register depends on the number of employees you are willing to employ. This slide is about declare your company with the National Institute of Statistics. In order for your future business achievement to be included in National Statistics, you have to register with the National Institute of Statistics. Now that you know how to set your business up in Mexico, you will need to apply for the correct visa in order to have the right to exercise your profession. This slide is about how to apply for a work visa in Mexico. The truth is that there are 2 types of visas for foreigners willing to work or start a business in Mexico. The visas include the temporary residency visa with permission to work. This visa is the most common for foreigners who want to live in Mexico. It gives you the right to work, study, and open a business in Mexico. This visa has a validity period of 1 year and can be renewed. It is the ideal for those who want to live and work in Mexico temporarily. This slide is the continuation of slide 10, the permanent residency visa. The permanent residency visa is very similar to the temporary visa, the only difference being that after the 4th renewal of the temporary visa, you can apply for permanent residency. So, this visa is particularly suited for foreigners who are expecting to live in Mexico for 4 years or more. It is important to note that any permanent resident holder will not be allowed to be out of Mexico for more than 18 months or over 5 years. The residency will be withdrawn in such case. This slide is the continuation of slide 11. The process of applying for permanent residency will take between 1 to 6 months to be processed after submission of documents. Our advice would be for you to leave as much time as possible to apply, as many applicants are rejected because of missing documents or other slips of the sort. Documents needed for visa application: official immigration application form filled out and signed, original passport and copy, original immigration card. This is the card that you filled out on the plane and presented you when you passed through customs. This is officially called the FMM form. When sure, you keep this safe, as you will be fined if you lose it. This slide is the continuation of slide 12. Original and copy of proof of residency. This can be any utility bill when you reside, which can be provided by landlord. 7 passport style photos of 2.5 into 3 cm. 4 should be headshots and 3 right side profile shots without glasses, jewelry, or makeup with a white background. As the independent professionals or business investor, you should have a written letter in Spanish addressed to the INM. This slide is the continuation of slide 13. Once you have gathered all the paperwork and turned it in, they will give you a document with a username and password. So you can follow the application process online. If you are applying for your visa in Mexico City, you will have to go to the National Institute of Immigration located in Polanco. If you are elsewhere in Mexico, please click here to access the full list of migration offices in Mexico. This slide is about general tips to facilitate your visa application process in Mexico. Call the office in advance in order to be sure you will come prepared. Try and visit the office at a off-peak time as immigration offices are often very busy. The best tip you can offer is to head there early in the morning. Bring copies of your all documents as the office may not have photocopies for public use. Thank you.